Hi, my name's Jessica, and apparently I really have no idea what I'm doing because I deleted today's video. Yeah, I'm not happy about it. I'm upset about it because, I recorded it this morning like usual, and I worked hard on, editing and putting together and stuff, and I created this eye look. It's now at the end of the day where I was going to, upload it. Basically what I did, I don't use iCloud, first of all. That's the first problem. I put the video clips into iMovie and started editing them, and then because I don't have space on my phone, after I made the movie, it wouldn't like export, it wouldn't save to my videos. So I said, okay, well, I'll make room, I'll delete the clips because I don't need those. So I deleted them, and then I deleted them from the recently deleted folder. So yeah, I didn't realize that was going to be a problem because I then went to save the video from iMovie and it said that it couldn't because the video contained clips that were no longer on my phone. So now the video's there and it has like a caution symbol on it, and it won't do anything, and the clips are gone. I called Apple support and it wouldn't get them back. They tried, but it didn't work. So I'll show you the swatches of the stuff that I had. I used these guys today, the Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. So I have here Secret Garden Rendezvous, and I have Bed of Roses. What I did today is I had an issue with like the mattes sticking in my crease, and I think that's because I was running around trying to get ready. I put primer on my eyes, then ran out to a doctor's appointment because I realized I didn't have time to do my eyeshadow. And then I came back maybe hour and a half later and then tried to do it, and I didn't set my eyeshadow, so like that might have been the problem. So what I did is I used the pink from here as my transition shade, and it's pigmented. Then I used this nice plum shade a little closer, like a little deeper into the crease. Then I put the plum shade on the outer third with my pinky, and it's really rich. I'm a fan of this one. Then I took this one, and like I would love for it to look like this, but it doesn't, and you'll see when I show you the swatches. It comes off darker and not shiny and bright like this. It almost looks more like this one here. So yeah, I'm disappointed in that. And the same goes for this one. It's the same deal. So I took this one and put it on the inner third to inner half. And then I took this shade, which is like a blue purple shimmer kind of. And it, I don't know, it doesn't do much. It's kind of dark and doesn't have a lot of color and not a lot of shimmer, but I think it looked nice to blend together the shimmery pink and the matte plum. And then to finish everything off, I put the champagne shade on my brow bone, but it's too dark for my skin tone because it comes off darker than this. And then I mimicked what I did on the lid on the lower lash lines. So I took the pink and I put it all along the lower lash line. Then I took the plum and put it on the outer corner, and then I took the pink and put it on the inner corner. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. I think it held up pretty well. It looks about the same, maybe faded and moved a tiny bit, but I mean, even so, it still looks good, and that was even with the primer issue. So yeah, if you're okay with these not being so bright and shiny like they look here, then I would say get these because the mattes seem to be good quality. Maybe not this one. I don't know how I feel about that one. I haven't tried that one on my eyes yet, but when it's swatched really nicely. So let me finally get to these swatches. So we have a mark for my watch. We have the supposedly light pink. See how dark that is? And see how like shiny it looks like it's gonna be. Then we have the shimmery cranberry. Then we have the matte plum, and then we have the matte cranberry. Then for this one, we have the champagne, We have the beige. It has a little bit of sparkle in it. I don't think you can see it. We have whatever color that is. And we have the pink. So if you're interested in the mattes, I would say maybe get them just for the mattes. I think these are $5, which I know that's more than Wet n Wild's usually charges for, like, you know, they usually charge $5 for the $10, they usually charge $5 for the 10 pan eyeshadow palettes, but these are big, so I don't know, like, see next to my finger? These are actually, like, decent sized pans, like maybe ABH or ColourPop sized, about. So, I don't know, take that into account. So I hope everyone has a happy holiday. Easter is this weekend and Passover just started. Hope you had a good day. Mine was good. I had a good day until the stupid video thing happened, so now I know not to do that again. Bye.